You're running 5 coding agents at once, each in its own terminal tab. One is blocked waiting on you. But which one? herdr is tmux rebuilt for coding agents. Run them all in one terminal and see who's blocked at a glance. So what is it? herdr is a single Rust binary that runs your agents side by side in workspaces, tabs, and panes. Every pane is a real terminal, so a full agent interface like Claude Code renders natively. The real thing, not a rewritten view. Install is one line on macOS or Linux. Then run herdr in your project, and it opens your first workspace on a background session. From there, tmux style chords build the layout. Control B, then V splits the pane. Control B, then C opens a tab. Here's the part that matters. A sidebar rolls every agent up to 4 states. Red means blocked, it needs your input. Yellow, working. Blue, done, not looked at yet. Green, idle. It's 0 config, no hooks. It just watches each agent's process. Workspaces roll up to their most urgent state, so one glance shows who's waiting. And nothing dies when you walk away. herdr runs on a background session server, so detaching with Control BQ closes only your client. Every pane keeps running. Open any terminal later. Even over SSH, run herdr, and you're right back. Agent's still going. It goes one step further. An agent can drive herdr itself. A local socket API and CLI let it open workspaces, split panes, and spawn helper agents. Official integrations for Claude Code, Codex, Droid, and more add native session restore, plus 18 built-in themes. So that's herdr, persistence and agent awareness in one terminal native tool. Real terminals in panes, plus a sidebar that shows who's blocked at a glance. One lightweight Rust binary, no desktop app, no Electron. Open source, 13,000 stars and trending. Start it on GitHub.